If you're curious whether the Xiaomi Smart Band 10 is waterproof and if you can swim with it, let's find out together. Of course, we won't waste any time and we'll get straight to the point. The Xiaomi Smart Band 10 is indeed waterproof, which makes it suitable for swimming. The absence of open ports, buttons, or speakers ensures the device is sealed and protected against water entry. Officially, it holds a 5 ATM or 50-meter waterproof rating. This means you can comfortably swim with it and even indulge in some light activities in shallow water. However, it's not designed for deep diving. When you wear the Xiaomi Smart Band 10 in a pool, you can track your swimming exercises thanks to its dedicated swimming workout modes, which enhance your fitness tracking abilities in the water. Be cautious when using the band in extreme heat environments such as saunas or hot tubs. These conditions can be problematic for the device due to high temperatures and steam. And that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.